How to hide or unhide your location on Rednote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can hide or unhide your location on the Rednote app. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Rednote app and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And in the profile section, simply tap on the option labeled Edit Profile. And from here, simply tap on the location. And in this section, you can simply see the option labeled Show Location. You have the option to either hide or unhide your location by simply toggling on and off that option. And once you're done with that, simply tap on the confirm shown in the top right corner of the screen. After that, simply tap on the save button. And that's it. Hiding or unhiding your location on Rednote is super easy. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.